Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, the settings, whichever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to tap on the settings icon in the upper panel. So let's tap. Now let's enter languages. And this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So of course you can scroll, or you can enter the name of the language you'd like to apply and simply tap on it. After tapping, you will be transferred to this section where you can choose the layout. So the amount of the layouts depend on the specific language. Sometimes you have only one, and sometimes up to 7 or 10 different layouts. So it depends. All you have to do is to make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, just like here in my case, and tap on Done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list of applied languages. And before I'll show you how to remove the previous one, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So after getting back to the keyboard, you can see a globe icon, which will allow you to actually change the layout. So simply, so right now we've got the English layout, and after tapping on it on the globe icon, we've got the Urdu one. So this is how it works. Of course, if you've got more languages, then it will show you all of them in a specific order. And now I can show you how to remove the language. So let's enter the settings again, enter the languages, and here in this list we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. And now we can simply mark the language we want to remove. So either the language which you had previously applied, or the new one, or whatever. Just mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.